my name is Wu Chengwei, as I introduced before, and you can call me Roland as well. And I come from SUSTech, Southern University of Science and Technology. And now I'll bring my introduction to the GEARS program experience at North Carolina State University. I'll first bring some academic research experience to you guys because our program is based on scientific research. So I put that first. I came here and I joined the project of wearable technology in Wilson College of Textiles, and that's a very great college of textiles. My work mainly focused on building CNT yarn sensors, and I experienced to use 3D print technology to print some parts for the machine, and I design and assemble the yarn winding instrument with my cooperator and my supervisor, as the picture shows. So this is our lab, and everything was great. When I reached out for help to my supervisor and my mentor, they're all glad to help me, and they introduced everything to me, and I really have a great experiments. And I do have great experience in the lab. Actually, I majored in industrial design in my hometown, and there's a large gap between my topic and my origin major. But with all these guys' help and the GTI, my mentor, my supervisor, I can actually they help me fill the gap, so I can still I feel good and I feel engaged in all these things. So if you are trying to uh, apply for some different majors of different topics, you should not be worried because everyone here is friendly and willing to help you. And finally, we got a final poster presentation, and it's a little bit different. It's a little bit different from what I used to do in my college. What I used to do is to do some presentation with a PowerPoint. But here I present everything with a single poster. So it's a little bit different, but everything goes well. Just the picture shows, and you can have a look. And life in NC State is much more than the poster, the presentation, and the laboratory. So the GTI provides various activities in NC State, like our volunteering events in Full Line Fees. We pack the foods for those in need. And as a sports lover, I go to the gym in NC, and you see that I play basketball with my friends, and actually you should try the gym. The gym is really, really good. And these are all the activities I did in North Carolina. I tried golf, and our dorm is very beautiful outside, and we have kitchens. You can try cooking by yourself, or you can try some local food around the campus. That's all free. That's all up to you, and you are not limited. You are not limited at all. What I want to say is beyond your project, there are a lot more things you can do, and there are more activities um, in our GEARS program, and there is much more opportunities than the project itself. North Carolina is a very beautiful place, and Little Lizard and all these things are very good, are all great. You should not miss all of them when you doing your research, and you can go out to to experience some sightseeing. Yeah, all these sceneries are good on campus. And that's all. Thanks for listening.